So currently I am down $149, which is equivalent to almost 15%. However, I managed to get this position to a profit of 31%, and here's how I did it, guys. My name is Noguera. In this channel, I talk about finances, stocks, real estate, and the economy. Now let's get to this. I have currently 100 shares of Plug Power. This is at an average price of $10, total invested $1,000. Currently, price target for the stock is $18.57. Currently, that represents an upside of 118%. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. My videos are for entertainment, inspirational, and educational purpose only. Please make sure to consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any investing decisions. Currently, I am down $148, which represents almost 15%. However, I managed to gain 46% using options, and here's how I did it. So currently, after this profit, I am up actually 31.9%. And here are the details, guys. As we can see in this chart, we see all the covered calls. I started selling covered calls in November 23rd, 2022. So you can see here the amount I got here: $20, $23, $12, and you get the picture, on and on and on. In this other chart, you see the cash secured puts. You see how many cash secured puts I just started selling ever since June 30th, 2022. The reason why you see cash secured puts before I started selling covered calls is because the way I buy stocks is I start selling cash secured puts at the price I want to get the stock. Meaning, it's starting selling cash secured puts until I got a sign. By the time I got a sign, I was already in the profit. In this dip right here, you can see when the stock cash secured put went against me. However, I quickly rolled that call for almost equivalent or a little bit more of the price. We'll get the details below. And as you can see, these are all the other cash secured puts that I kept selling. Now, both of this together, $319 and $147, is equivalent to $467, which is equivalent to 46% yield on my cost. This is what helped me bring this negative 14.8% all the way to a positive 31% on the stock. If we come down here, this is another reason why I got into the stock. Well, if I use my stock evaluation, if we use Graham valuation, we see that the stock is at a valuation of $18. The discount cash flow valuation is not needed here, as Plug Power currently do not cash flow. The dividends valuation, again, we not use it here because Plug Power do not pay out dividends. And the multiples valuation, however, I did use it here. Multiple valuations, the equivalents or the comparables are BP, APD, EH, and Lind. All of this together gave me a valuation of $22. If we average this together, we have an intrinsic value based on my calculations of $20.50. However, I'm using a margin of safety of 25%. This gives me a target buy price of $15.38, which is way less than the analyst price target of $18.57. Currently, another thing that it may play in your favor, or in this case my favor, is the 52 weekly range. Currently, Plug Power sits at $8.53, which is more closer to the 52 week low and very far away from the 52 weeks highs of $30. Currently, Plug Power has an earnings per share of $1.22, a PE of 7%, and a beta of 1.89, guys. Now, this is what's real tricky right here. The beta of 1.89, which is, or pretty much it means this stock is very, very volatile, guys, which means it has wild swings. It can go up and down dramatically. As we can see in the 52 week range, it goes from $30 all the way to $7.39, guys. Well, one thing that has positive here is the institutional ownership. Institutional ownership is 66%, which is very, very good. Now down here we see the stock charts. This is the past performance of Plug Power for the past 5 years. We can see this incredible, crazy thing when Plug Power went all the way to $73, and as quickly as it went up, that's as quickly as it went down. Ever since then, it's nothing but down, down, and lower and lower. This is making me question, should I stay with Plug Power or not? However, I just have $1,000 invested. I might just leave it there. But I am selling covered calls aggressively in Plug Power, meaning I'm not taking a 10% out of the money calls. No, I'm selling 5%, 3%. That if I do get my stocks called away, it don't matter. I don't really care about the stock that much. This right here is what will happen if I take my investment in Plug Power and leave it there for the next 30 years, guys. I made another video explaining exactly what will happen. So I'll link the video in the description below. And here we can see some of the details that all of the options and extra income came straight from options. Here we see in the month of January. Overall, again, guys, this is including 2022 and 2023. In fact, we can go to 2022. And in 2022, started selling covered calls in June of 2022, made $10 in June. In July, $82. In August, $142. September, that's when it went against me, minus $541. However, I was able to roll this call to October for $551 for a profit of $10 only. However, I was able to recover this. In November, $42. And in December, $12. If we roll now to 2023, in 2023, in January 2023, I was able to sell and generate extra $17. March, $63. In April, $10. In May, I was able to generate extra $36, guys. Now in June, nothing. In July, nothing. And now in August, able to generate extra $23. And in September, again, $18 extra. So all currently together in both years so far, I have generated a total of $467, guys. This is the $467 we see here on top, and that is equivalent to 46% yield on my cost, which in turns brought me up. Instead of being down 146, 15%, I'm actually up $321 or 32% in Plug Power. Now, guys, remember, options are not for everyone. Be very, very, very careful with options, as you can literally lose your stocks. You can get your stocks called away very quickly if you pick the wrong option price or the wrong delta. I currently sell about maybe 20 to 30% delta or 80 to 70% probability to win out of the money. These are all of my option plays, and as you can see, I was able to get more win than losses. And again, this is the actual goal, guys. The goal is to have more winners than losers. As we can see here, I have some losers here of $43, some losers of $205, $335, another loser of $39. However, if we see here, I was able to recover here in October 2022 and recover from $990. So guys, remember, be careful in options. This is not for everyone. Become an expert, or at least know how to do it, guys. Now, this is basically to show you guys that with options, you can generate extra income, to minimize your losses. All right, guys. Now, the question for you guys is, do you have Plug Power in your portfolio? How much have you invested in Plug Power, guys? Leave your comment below, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe for more, and bye-bye, guys.